Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the good healthy foods or the food we eat. We eat a variety of food stuff. They contain different nutrients. So as we can see in the photograph that there are some rice, there are some vegetables, there are some pulses, there are some green vegetables, then there are some salad. We have also have some papad and some chutneys. So this is a complete diet which we should eat in our daily food habits. Okay, so it's good that we should eat a uh, complete diet. So there are in a complete diet we have variety of uh, 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 things we should eat like vitamins, minerals, fats, carbohydrates, roughages. The in the photo in which we saw some salads, the salads come under roughages. Okay, so we should eat all of these nutrients should come in our diet so that the diet becomes a balanced diet. We should always eat a healthy balanced diet in our uh, eating habits. Like in our lunch and dinner we should have a complete healthy diet. Okay, as do you know nutrients are substances present in the food. So students, the food we eat, there are some or other nutrients present in each and every food. Okay, like when we eat rice or chapatis or rotis, we get carbohydrates. When we eat pulses, or in common language which we call them as dal, they have protein in them. Okay, in green leafy vegetables we have vitamins, many minerals. Vitamins are also of many kinds like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and many other vitamins. So in a complete healthy diet we get all these nutrients. So nutrients are present in every food we eat. So nutrients provide us energy, help us grow, keep us healthy, disease free, and strong. So, nutrients give us energy. So, we need energy to do our daily work like exercises, running. For doing everyday work, we need energy. Nutrients help us grow. Like as we our like you all are like small child, so day by day every day you grow a little bit, and slowly we become adults. So nutrients help us to grow and become a fit human being. It keeps us healthy. As we eat good balanced diet, we keep us it keeps us healthy. If we eat junk food, it will cause many diseases in our body. But if we eat balanced diet, we will be disease free and we shall be strong, healthy, both mentally and physically. Okay, students. So as we can see, it as nutrients provide us energy for running, for doing exercises and other works. Now, classification of food on the basis of functions performed by them. So every when we eat food, there are many kinds of different varieties of food we eat in our lunch or dinner. So every food has different kind of nutrients, and they perform differently basis on their uh, on the food which we eat. So the classification of food is based on the functions performed by them. So, students, our body needs energy to do all types of works in our daily life. For suppose you come in the school to study, and during your free period or the PT period, you go to the ground and play many kinds of different games. So for that you need energy, you need good food. Okay, you need carbohydrates to perform different kinds of energy in our daily life. Like carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that provide energy to our body and help in performing various functions. So carbohydrates and fats, these are two nutrients that provide energy means when we do some work, some physical work, means walking, running, or doing exercises, or performing various muscular work, we need carbohydrates and fats for performing all these activities in our daily life. So if we do not get these carbohydrates or fats, we cannot perform the work which we want to do. Fats not only provide energy to our body but also keep us warm. So, students, we live in Joshimath. It's a hilly area and the weather is really chilly here. It's very cold in Joshimath. So, fats not only provide us energy to do our work in our daily life, but also it keeps us warm. So, how will we get fats in our daily life? So, if you eat ghee, butter, in if you eat ghee, butter, milk in your daily diet, it will provide you fats, and fats will give you your body a feeling of warm. So we need to eat fats not only for providing energy to do daily works like physical activities, running, walking, or doing some work, but also it's keep us warm. In winter season, you might have seen that we eat lots of food with ghee, butter, milk, or high proteins like chicken, mutton. So it provides us fats and it keeps us warm. So students, we should have carbohydrates and fats in our daily life, in our daily food habits. Foodstuffs containing carbohydrates and fats are therefore called energy giving foods. So students, these foods which give us energy, what are these called? These foods are called, mainly they give us nutrients called carbohydrates and fats. They help us to do and perform various muscular functions, activities in our daily life. So as you can see, the child is eating a bread, egg, butter, right? So these all foods give us energy to perform various functions in our daily life. And we should always have a healthy breakfast early morning. Okay, now rice, as you can see in the photo, the first picture depicts that it is a rice, second one shows that it is a wheat, and third one shows it's maize. All these things, rice, wheat, and maize, gives us energy to do our daily work. Okay, so these rice, wheat, and maize give us carbohydrates to perform